Hi guys, Allison from Social Wig Co. And today's tip is all about how to fall in love with your new piece. I call the first 2 to 3 weeks of wearing a new piece the dating phase. It's super awkward. It's not great. It's like dating a new guy and getting through all the superficial crap. Um, New wigs are quirky. There's always going to be something weird about it. I don't care how perfect you think it's going to be, it's never going to be like your hair was before you lost it. And you're going to have to get to know the piece, kind of its quirks, what you love about it, what you don't love about it, and then change it. So, this piece, for example, I have been waiting for it for about 3 months and I'm super excited to have it. I really love the color and I like the quality of the hair, but I am not loving it at all. Like, it is just like insanely long. Like, I don't know who has hair this long, but I'm petite, guys, like 5'2", super tiny. And this is just like, I've never cut my hair in my lifetime sort of length. So the first thing is going to be customizing it, getting it cut. If you don't have a wig stylist in your area, just go to a hairdresser and don't tell them it's a wig. Put that sucker on and let them cut it. Customize it towards you. Like, your face is unique to you. The length of your neck is unique, where your shoulders hit. All of that needs to be customized, and I promise that will really help. Can't tell you how many clients I've seen who have pieces that they don't love, and I just don't try to even sell them a new piece. I just say, let's go get it cut. See if you even like the cut. Do you like wearing a wig? Anyways, that's really important. And then the other thing I'm going to do is customize, bleach the knots on the lace front. So this piece, the transition from the French top to the lace front is terrible. Like, I can see the knots, and I'm super sensitive with the knots on the lace fronts. My first wig had knots that were like this big, like a pimple you could see from a mile away. So I've been scarred for like the rest of my life. So I'm going to bleach the lace front on this. You guys are going to see that. But anyways, I call the first 2 to 3 weeks the dating phase, where it's super awkward, and your only goal after you get the piece customized to fit you is to wear it. Wear it out to walk the dog, wear it with a hat, wear it to pick up your kids, wear it in the house. Just get to know it. And I promise you, if you do that, you will fall in love with it. You will eventually get through the awkward stages, do some customizations, and you will fall in love with it. You'll have a name for it, and you guys will be little lovey-dovey's. I promise. So that's it. The dating phase, it's a real challenge with wig wearing, and if you can just get through it, I promise you'll love wearing wigs. And that's it. So stay tuned. Subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Instagram, and I'll talk to you guys later. Allison from Social Wig Co. Bye.